Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send photos in Tinder chat. Now, if you want to send photos in Tinder chat, it's quite simple. You have to open the Tinder application in your mobile and then you will see this kind of interface. If you have a match and you have been talking and then now you have been decided to send pictures, unfortunately Tinder doesn't allow us to send pictures directly in messages. This is done for safety and security purposes. Tinder will not allow you to send pictures, but if you want to send a picture, there are other ways to do so. You can exchange each other social media platforms and send them pictures over there, or you could also be that you want to go ahead and then basically send a link, and that link will get uploaded. Let's say you uploaded somewhere in Google Drive somewhere, then you can send the link to that so that they will be able to view it. Other than that, you can't directly send within the Tinder app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.